How to top up in solo leveling Arise. Today, I will show you how to top up your account in Solo Leveling Arise. So first, open Solo Leveling Arise and navigate to the main screen. Look for the store or shop option, usually found in the main menu. Once you're in the store, look for the top up options or a similar button indicating in-game purchases. Tap on it to see the available top up packages. Here, you will see a list of top up packages, each with different amounts of in-game currency and bonuses. Select the package that you want to purchase. After selecting your package, you will be prompted to confirm your purchase. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Next, select your prepared payment method. Options may include credit, debit cards, mobile payments, or other online payment services. Follow the prompts to complete your payment. Once your payment is successful, you should receive your in-game currency or items shortly after. Check your account to confirm the addition. And that's it. You have successfully topped up in solo leveling Arise. Now you can use your in-game currency to enhance your gaming experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.